Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 1 PS1 Scheduling Implies. Project description is the painters SPA would like to help making the process and desk employees to the efficiency and the schedule constructed to days increments and the employees are submitted their preferences and 1 to 5 where most prefer 5 is last preferred. So we move to the main project step and total step is 14. So if you want to complete my MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the main project step is step number 1. Start Excel. Open the downloaded file name Excel chapter 10 PS2. Graders are automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name and save the file to the location where you are storing file. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel file Excel chapter 10 PS1 schedule. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is the schedule worksheet has the possible schedule each employees can work. Row 5 to 11. The first represent day work, the 0 represent days of schedule has to. The range D5 to D11 contain the number of the employees assigned corresponding row. This range will need to be changed. The fulfill scheduling needs and cell F13 of the schedule worksheets. Enter the formula that will calculate the range number of employees scheduled to work Sunday for all schedule AG. Begin with the multiply number of employees for the schedule A and cell D5 by the value representing where the employees working days and will be finished the schedule. Result 0 because the A people and Sunday. Next and to the products the number of employees scheduled to work Sunday for a schedule B. Continue with the formula by adding similar calculation for a scheduling CG, making the absolute set reference for a E cell in column D. So insert the formula in cell F13 total number of employees scheduled to work and Sunday for all schedule A to G. So select the cell F13 and Sunday for all schedules A to G. Begin with by the multiplying number of employees scheduled. So for the result of the formula 0 because a people schedule of the Sunday. So select the cell is F13 and type is equal to in cell D5 plus F4 is absolute reference multiply by F5 and plus D6 press F4 button is absolute reference multiply by F6 plus D7 absolute cell reference multiply by F7 D7 multiply by F7 plus D8 multiply by F8 plus D9 multiply by F9 plus D10 absolute cell reference plus F4 button D10 multiply by F10 plus D11 multiply by F11. F11 and press enter. So result is 2022. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is copy the formula from a cell F30 to the right throw in cell L30. So copy the formula F30 to right throw in cell L30. So copy the formula F30 to L30, F30 to L30. F32 F13. So question number 3 is complete. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is insert the sum function D18 adds the all the shift schedule in the range F30 to L30. Insert the sum function in cell D18 that all adds the shift schedule in the range F30 to L30. In cell D18, so select the cell is D18, sorry, D18. Insert the sum function in cell D18. So select the cell is D18, type is equal to, type the sum function, and range is F30 to L30. So F30 to L30, close bracket and press enter. So result is 116. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is enter a formula in cell D20 that calculate the payroll for the week, which is the total shift schedule multiplied by pay employees days. Enter the D20. Enter a formula in cell D20 that calculate the payroll for the week, which is the total shift schedule multiplied by pay employees days in cell D20. So select the cell is D20, type is equal to, and D80 multiplied by D19 and press enter. So question number 5 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete My MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.